I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself.
Yeah, you gon' need 100 men, 100 scopes, 100 cans just for you to watch what I'm doing under the sun again. God-given gift, MCs doing the running man. If you want me to get it poppin', may cost 100 pence. Yeah.
What's up guys, Ryan here back with another video, and today we have the Nothing Ear 2 in the house, and I'm gonna be unboxing them and reviewing them for you guys. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video. So there have been quite a few earbuds on the market, but nothing has come close to the Apple AirPods, specifically the AirPods Pro. But the new Nothing Ear 2 is definitely trying to change that. So for starters, they are priced very competitively at $149 on Amazon, which is a very good price when compared to the AirPods Pro. The packaging looked pretty nice because the box was very appealing. There was an image of the Nothing Ear 2 on the box, but there was nothing else on the box apart from the name Nothing Ear 2. I really like the clean look of the box, but as you can see here, the unboxing process wasn't so clean. Inside the box, you get an instruction manual, the Nothing Ear 2, and a charging cable. They look really good, and the transparent design is unique, and that applies to the case and the earbuds. The case has a satisfying close, similar to the AirPods Pro, and is held closed with magnets. It feels pretty good in the hand and fits nicely in your pocket. The case charges via USB-C, but the charging port feels hidden because it blends in with the case. Now let's talk about the earbuds themselves. So the Nothing Ear 2 looks and feels pretty close to the AirPods Pro. I've used them for 3 weeks, and honestly, this is as close to AirPods Pro as you can get. It has a short stem and rubber tip for better fitment, and if the ear tips that comes on the earbuds in the case doesn't fit your ear properly, you have 2 extra to choose from. The left earbud is marked with a white dot, while the right earbud is marked with a red dot. They connect to the case via magnet and have a pretty satisfying snap as well, and you don't have to worry about them falling out of the case because the magnet holds them in pretty snug. Now let's talk about the Nothing Ear 2 performance. So the Nothing Ear 2 sounds great. The clarity is close to the AirPods Pro. To get better, clearer audio, Nothing coupled their unique software with their all-new dual-chamber design for better airflow, whether you're on a call or watching a video. I really think that the Nothing Ear 2 has a unique sound. Nothing added smart software to fine-tune their Ear 2 as you wear them by tuning the equalizer curve to its optimal level. The Nothing Ear 2 has dual connectivity, meaning you can connect it to 2 devices at the same time. And as you can see here, I have it connected to my Mac Studio and my iPhone at the same time. And by the way, it works with iPhone, Android, PC, or Mac. But the only thing that I think is missing is spatial audio, which I don't think is a deal breaker. The connectivity is top notch because as soon as you take them out the case and put them in your ears, they connect. The noise cancellation is pretty decent. I would give them a 7 out of 10. The app also provides some features like personalized ANC, which use algorithm to create a better ANC experience. The Nothing Ear 2 is water and dust resistant with an IP54 rating. However, the case is IP55 rated, and its dust and water resistance is set to decrease over time. Kinda weird, but I guess we'll see. Personally, I would recommend keeping them away from water to avoid damaging them. So if you need to clean them, I would recommend using alcohol swabs because water damage is not covered under warranty. The earbuds has a 33 mAh battery, and the case has a 485 mAh battery, and they do support fast charging. But check this out, fast charging starts after 10 minutes, which is also kind of odd. The earbuds can be used continuously for up to 2 hours with ANC disabled and 1.2 hours with ANC enabled, which is a little lower than the AirPods Pro on paper, but I find that I get really good playback time. I'm assuming that's because I used it with ANC off and my volume set at 60%. Let's talk about the Nothing X app. The Nothing X app is really good because it teaches you how to use the pinch and hold to control the features of the earbuds. Honestly, the features feel pretty similar to the AirPods Pro, and I really enjoyed using them. I think that Nothing is on the right track when it comes to the new Ear 2. I'm really looking forward to the next generation of earbuds that Nothing put out. But for those who want to check them out, I will be linking it in the description below. So guys, that is it for my review of the Nothing Ear 2. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You can try to
100 men, 100 scopes, 100